Well, hello YouTube. What's up? Look, your boy just got a fresh haircut. All right. And indeed, what a fine day to work on your car today. Today I'm just gonna be doing some cosmetic work here. Let me show you real quick. And as you can see right here, this definitely a no-no. I'm pretty sure it's damage from heat and being exposed to the sun that basically, yeah, just crazing. I don't know what material it is. Could be polycarbonate, but it is crazing through the heat and just being out in the sun, because I do park this car outside in the sun. It's not like I have a garage, as I've said many times before. But we're gonna be switching this out, and then I am gonna be like just changing the color. I mean, I don't mind the silver too much, because I do have some silver on the car, but I think I'm just gonna paint it black, pretty gloss black or something, just to change the look on it a little bit. But let me show you how we about to do this. All right, I hope you guys can appreciate this angle. I'm trying to get creative with my videos, so that way you can see kind of like how I'm doing it all together. So let's begin. And I don't know if I should cut these videos and in pieces, or should I just let it flow? What type of videos do you guys like? I am not sure. I'm still trying to get creative with these type of videos, DIYs, and I don't know. Let me know in the comments, so that way I can kind of at least make it somewhat more appealing to you guys. Or if I should just do videos and shut up and just do the videos and not talk, But anyways, like I said, just leave a comment if you would like to give me some feedback on my video tip skills, All right, let's see. I think we can pick this in here. Yeah, definitely not gonna work. Try this. Nope, that's a fail. So we're just gonna do this the flathead. All right, guys. The adhesive on the original one is tougher than it seems. So if you have a heat gun, maybe try to heat it a little bit. Oh, there we go. Yeah, literally just stuck on by these adhesive here. So yeah, all bad. Not bad, not bad. Now you can remove the tape. I think I might have chipped part of the shifter itself. I think it is just plastic. No worries, we can fix that. We'll just sand it down a little bit just to help smoothen it out. Dang it, I wish I was a little bit more careful, but things happen. So this is why it's a DIY. And if you see me doing the mistakes, maybe it will help you guys not to make the same mistakes I do. Is it T8? All right, T8. So now it's a T8. All right, yep, there we go. Yes, sir. One more. All right, so yep, it just pops out like that. Oh, be careful. Don't lose your parking button. It goes here pretty much. All right, yep, as you can see right there, a little bit of chip, but we'll file that down. No worries, I'm not too worried. And it's gonna be black anyway, so it should cover most of it. All right, let's go get this scuffed up and painted. All right, hey guys, we are here again. So I am now using a 400 grit sandpaper to scuff these up and trying to get these damages that I did. My fault, right? So hopefully we're just smoothing that out. We hide some of the blemishes with the black paint. Alright, spray some degreaser on here, just in case. Alright, there we go. I'm going to be using some paint and primer as well, gloss black, the Bear brand. This one's pretty good. It brings out a very nice gloss to it. So let's apply. Cup number 2. All right, we're back in the car now. I did let it dry for an hour or so. Hopefully, I mean, it's dry to the touch, but paint, I can tell it's still a little bit soft, but I think if I just leave it in the car overnight, it should dry up very nicely. But yeah, as you see, painted. Yep. Now let's go ahead and put this all back together and yeah, see how it looks. That can go there. There we go. It's nice and straight. Comes like that. So I'm just gonna peel this off. All right. Just gonna leave that there. All the lights are still functional. Neutral, reverse, drive. Yep, we're looking good. All right, guys, if you got this far, I just want to say thank you for watching. I've noticed I have gained a few more followers from my last video, and if you guys are watching this, I appreciate you. I appreciate the follow, comments, your likes, all of that. Like, it's little, but I appreciate it in such great gratitude. So I mean, I hope you find this video at least somewhat useful. I mean, it's a simple thing, simple install, but you know, it's the little things that matters, and it's the detail. And besides, you're in the car all the time, you're the one driving it, so you want to make it, you know, look as nice as you can. Because man, I commute to work an hour going to work, an hour coming back, so I practically live in my car. So if I'm gonna drive it, I'm gonna make it how I want it to look like and feel like, you know. So yeah, I hope you like that, and then yeah, I will catch you next time. Thanks again. Subscribe, comment. As always, appreciate it. And it's always going to be a fine day to work on your car.